YouTube family, what's up, guys? It's your boy D. I'm here today with a YouTube original, a YouTube classic, Wavelength ball fade. We got a beard, so we're gonna get into that. But real quick, I want to say thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and let's go. So as you can see, first things first, I usually do my cut, fade it up, and then I apply a little wash to the hair to lay it down for the front lining. So from there, I'm going to go in detailing, and then I jump straight to the beard and kind of oil that up, put a hot towel on there. And I know it seems like it's rolling right now, but I'm going to slow this back down so y'all can understand what's going on and go back through my details. So when doing the beard, I usually apply oil, a little beard wash, and then I press it out. So I'm hitting it with a hot comb, doing a press on it, and it's going to flatten this beard out and straighten it out so it gives a better, shinier look, more full look at that. So here I'm going in, and before I do his lining, I brush it down and I hit it with that OG Walker glass. I know you guys have heard of that. That stuff is banging. Good stuff, man. I liked it. Real crisp lining, and you're going to see here in a second how that stuff works. So with that being said, I want to jump back to my cut and originally go through the details of how I do it. And anybody uses any clipper, it's all the same in format. So how I do it is I'll draw my original guideline, fade it up, fade it open, fade it halfway, fade it close, and then go through there with my guys from 1, 2.5. And from there, it makes it kind of easy, So that's kind of how I do my quick boom set process on a fade. I will be at BarberCon August 25th, showcasing on stage, so you can catch me there to learn some more. But first things first, let's tap back to this hairline. I'm going to jump back to this hairline real quick because you can see I've hit it with the comb now. I'm getting those dead hairs out the way. And then next, I'm going to go in and line it with my Stylecraft trimmers. Listen, man, these Stylecraft trimmers are amazing. Super, super dope. One of my best liners. I use them strictly for lining because that's their sole purpose. And they're going to do the job. And we want crispy like bacon. You know what I'm saying? Crispy like bacon. So, as you can see, when I'm lining, I go middle part, middle part. So them girls will be like, middle part, yeah. We start from the middle. I cannot stress that enough. Stress it enough. Middle, over, middle, over. Middle left to right or middle right to left. Either way you go, work it how you want to work it. And then with that being said, take your time. The lineup is the most precious part. There are a lot of good things involved, but that lineup is the key part. So I have to stress that enough to people to let them know, take your time on the lineup because you want it to be crisp. And I'm going to show you at the end of this cut what a crisp hairline truly looks like because it makes a huge difference, man. And a lot of people, I don't think they understand and they take it for granted. So with that being said, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start lining on his right side, closer to the parietal ridge of that lining. And I'm going to bring it all the way down. And that way it makes it a little bit easier for what I'm trying to do and what I'm trying to accomplish. But more importantly, to get this cut to the look that we want. Because my client has a look and he's trying to rock it. And we're going to rock with it. So, y'all, I want y'all to jump in them comments, man. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And tune in to your boy, Rock with me, support me, Stay tuned because I'm about to get this content stuff back rolling. Like, when I say back rolling, I mean back rolling. So I'm super excited for this. I took a break, but I know I got the capability and the talent to do it. And I want to show y'all what I'm working with, man, because this barber thing, it does take some skill, bro. I tell people it takes some skill. So as you can see, as I'm lining this hairline, I'm combing through it, getting it a good look, getting it all cleaned out, getting all that dead hair and dirt, debris out of there as I line it up. Because every time you cut, it takes out some hair. Every time you cut, it takes out some hair. So I want y'all to understand that when you're cutting hair, you're going through your processes, you're going through your phases of lining. Take your time, stick to your bases, follow your guidelines, and finish the cut strong. Make sure your client is overall satisfied and happy, because that's a big part of this job, is making sure your client is satisfied. Content is not easy to make. And I do apologize. It got a little blurry right here. I chose not to edit it out just so you can still see that I'm lining it. The angle kind of got bad, but when you see the end result of the cut, you're gonna be like, dang, that boy is like that. He is him. Don't play with him. So as you can see, clean, clear cut, crispy line. Those things, those liners, those Starcraft liners are super sharp, bro. But y'all getting clean up, first up, clean view of this haircut, and I love it. It is turning out great. And so while amongst doing this haircut, you have to understand that it's a one-track job. You know, you got to do this at a certain level. You got to do this at a high level, so that no matter what, people understand that you're not to be played with. You love what you do. You take this serious, and it's a high level, high volume craft for you. And it's to be respected. Most importantly, most people don't respect it. So I just need y'all to understand that. So we're gonna skip through a little bit of part of this haircut, because I'm just cleaning up behind the hair right now. So this is a little view that y'all may not want to see. Y'all might skip through it, but you can see that cut is clean. We're gonna jump around now, so now you're getting a full view of the cut, straight on that hairline. And it's looking good, man. It's looking good. My client's looking around. You can tell he's happy. This thing is nice and perpendicular. So super dope. So boom, guys, yeah, we back. I'm gonna jump right into this real quick. This is gonna be real short and simple because we're getting to the end of this video and I got shit to do and I know y'all got stuff to do. So I'm gonna hit on this razor line, man. Make sure you pull the skin. Please pull the skin. Give it its further stretch. So that way when you're getting that line that you're looking for, you can create it. So as you can see, I always start at the top and I create that visible line. Then I work my way down through the haircut. And so as I'm working my way down through this beard lining, I'm going to form that shape that he's looking for with his beard to keep it nice and high without not taking it down, but keeping it nice and crispy. That is a big thing for guys with beards. I cannot stress that enough. So please, guys, please be aware of this, you know. Be cautious, work on your razor strokes, front hand stroke, backhand stroke, reverse backhand stroke. It is definitely key. A lot of people use shave gel. It depends on the client. Sometimes I won't, sometimes I will, but it just depends on the look that I'm looking for. And everybody's different, you know, and so how I go about my cuts is might not how you go about your cuts, but you can learn something from me, add it to your repertoire, and run with it. And everything works differently for everybody, you know. So check this cut out. Tell me what you think. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Like, subscribe. I'm gonna say it again. It's your boy D, and you know where we going. Out the door.